Wilco RK16 is the color yellow from to Adfield Corporation. Is the yellow Cobilco number 20. Right around there is the yellow Cobilco. Right around there is the good time. There is the yellow Cobilco. Good time. There is the yellow Cobilco. Good time. There is the good time. Is the no problem. There is the yellow Cobilco. Is the crane truck Adfield Corporation. Is the Mon yellow Cobilco from Adfield Corporation. Good time. There is the is the yellow Cobilco. Right from there is the good time. There is the good time. Is the yellow Cobilco from to Adfield Corporation. Right from there good time. Is the yellow. Good time. There is the crane truck. Right from there good time. At from to Adfield Corporation. Is the crane truck. Right from there good time. Crane truck Cobilco RK116-2. Is the Cobilco from to LYNX. Is the crane truck. Right from there is the no choice. Right problem. And 5 and 4 3 2 1 and go.